What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm out here in Arlington, Texas, showing off a killer system that a customer purchased from us. RS2000 Panamorph DCR lens. Chris helped him get the whole thing going, and I wanted to give a little testimonial as to the service that we offer and pricing, things like that. Just hand the microphone over to the customer and listen to him. So we're going to get into that right after the intro. Testimonial about your service with Chris.
Chris was amazing. He knows his stuff and super helpful. Even when I felt like I was bugging him too much, he was always happy to help and always answered the phone when I called.
How was Dreamedia's pricing in comparison to our competitors?
They were right on par, but I'd say the customer service put them over the top. So, you know, and they had it in stock as well. Calling a couple other places, they were iffy on whether they could get products. You know, with today, how everything is.
It's tough.
It's rough.
That is one thing, guys, that I pride us on, is we have been doing everything in our power, honestly, spending probably a little too much on inventory this year to try to make sure that we have the product available for you guys. It's been a worldwide crisis, really, on everything. I even went to get a rental car today, and they were like, you can't, we're having a rental car shortage in Dallas. I'm like, seriously?
My cousin just left, and he paid $800 for 4 days.
Oh my God.
Ridiculous.
So yeah, everything is difficult to get, but here at Dreamedia, we're doing our best to forecast and try to buy in bulk when the shipments do come in, and also try to keep the pricing reasonable for you guys. We really appreciate the support. All right, that is a wrap on our customer testimonial here in Arlington, Texas. I hope that you guys enjoyed that testimonial and found it inspirational. You guys know that we are on a mission to deliver 5-star service to all of our customers and put a home theater into every home in America. Give us a call. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. We have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from. We itemize all of our pricing with a free consultation service. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.